Welcome to Prime Product Picks. The best cordless ratchet is probably one of the most versatile tools you can have in your arsenal. Its compact design and powerful performance make it a game-changer for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Whether you're tackling automotive repairs, working on home improvement projects, or just need a reliable tool for various tasks, this ratchet is designed to make your life easier and more efficient. Number 5. Milwaukee M12 Fuel 3/8 Ratchet, Bare Tool. This ratchet delivers an industry-leading torque output. It provides the power you need to get the job done efficiently. With a head size up to 20% smaller, it's designed for tight spaces. This compact design enhances maneuverability. Featuring premium metal components and overmold, it's built for durability. This ensures a longer lifespan, even with heavy use. It's the world's first brushless ratchet. This innovative technology provides over 2x more motor life compared to brushed ratchets. Get yours today and experience the difference. It's the perfect tool for any job. What we like. This ratchet boasts the most powerful torque in its class, making it ideal for tough jobs. Its compact head size allows for easy access in tight spaces. If you're looking for maximum power and maneuverability in a cordless ratchet, this is the one for you. What people say. These ratchets have brushless motors and the batteries last a long time, only take about an hour to charge, are ruggedly built. Slim profile, plenty of torque for removing and tightening fasteners, have a built-in light to illuminate where you're trying to get the socket. It is built really well, has proven to be very durable, and is the perfect size to fit into tight spaces. Number 4. Milwaukee 2457-20 M12 Cordless Ratchet, Bare Tool. Introducing the Milwaukee M12 Cordless Ratchet. This is a powerful tool designed for various fastening applications. It offers the performance and durability that professionals need. This is a bare tool, meaning it doesn't include a battery or charger. It's perfect for those who already own M12 batteries and chargers. This allows you to expand your Milwaukee collection without extra costs. The ratchet features a 3/8 head, making it compatible with a wide range of sockets. It's ideal for working in tight spaces. This compact design enhances maneuverability. Powered by lithium-ion technology, this ratchet provides longer run times and more power. It also offers fade-free power, ensuring consistent performance throughout its use. Milwaukee is known for its high-quality power tools. This ratchet is built to last, providing reliable performance for years to come. You can trust it for your toughest jobs. What we like. This ratchet is designed for ease of use and portability. Its compact design makes it perfect for working in confined areas. If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-handle ratchet for everyday tasks, this is a great choice. What people say. It makes every job quicker and works with the sockets I already have without any issue. Like all of Milwaukee products, they are extremely well designed and well made. It's a lifesaver, and if you have any M12 batteries, just buy it if you're a mechanic. I know the specs may seem a bit low, but you would be amazed how many times you grab this little beast. Number 3. Milwaukee M12 Fuel 3/8 Extended Ratchet. This is the Milwaukee M12 Fuel 3/8 Extended Ratchet. It's a powerful tool designed for tight spaces. Let's take a closer look at its features. The ratchet delivers up to 55 ft-lbs of torque thanks to its brushless motor. This ensures maximum power and durability for tough jobs. It's built to handle demanding tasks. With its slim head profile and extended neck, it's easy to access tight spaces. This design allows you to work in areas where other tools can't reach. This feature enhances its versatility. The ratchet features a reinforced mechanism and a cast steel yoke housing. These components ensure long-lasting use, even under heavy use. It's built to withstand the rigors of the job site. RedLink Plus Intelligence protects the tool from overloading or overheating. This feature helps to extend the tool's life and prevent damage. It ensures reliable performance. It works with M12 batteries, making it compatible with a range of applications. This offers flexibility and convenience on the job. You can easily switch between tasks. What we like. This ratchet features an extended reach, perfect for those hard-to-reach spots. The brushless motor ensures maximum power and durability. If you often find yourself working in tight spaces or need a ratchet that can handle tough conditions, this is the ideal tool. What people say. Great tool. Plenty of power. Compact, easy to use, very durable. It's very handy tool. I think it is perfect for tight places when working in engine bay. Very efficient to snag any bolt and be ready for torque tool or by hand tinting. A great product from Milwaukee, use this every day. Decent torque, variable speed and not a battery killer. A real time saver. Number 2. Milwaukee 2457-21M12 Cordless Ratchet Kit. This is the Milwaukee 2457-21, a cordless ratchet kit. It's designed for those who need power in a compact package. This tool is perfect for tight spaces. The kit includes an M12 lithium-ion battery. This provides the power you need for extended use. It's a reliable power source for the ratchet. The ratchet features a 3/8-inch head. This allows it to work with a variety of sockets. It's a versatile tool for various tasks. Being cordless offers great convenience and freedom of movement. You're not tethered to a power outlet. It makes your work easier. The kit comes with a tool bag for easy storage and transport. It keeps everything organized. This makes it easy to take it wherever you go. Please note this is a non-fuel model. It's the old style. It's still a great tool for your needs. What we like. This kit comes with everything you need to get started, including a battery and charger. The onboard fuel gauge helps you monitor the charge. If you're a professional or DIY enthusiast looking for a complete, ready-to-use solution, this kit offers excellent value. What people say. It fits in some tight places. Battery lasts me a day and seems to charge fast. The ratchet has plenty of power for removing and replacing all the bolts necessary for completing the job, and the design of the ratchet makes access into tight spaces a breeze. Number 1. Milwaukee 2457-21M12 Cordless Ratchet Kit. This is the Milwaukee M12 Cordless Ratchet Kit. It's a compact and powerful tool designed for various fastening tasks. It's perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The ratchet features a robust 12-volt motor, delivering up to 35 ft-lbs of torque. This allows it to handle tough jobs with ease. It provides the power you need to get the job done efficiently. The kit comes with an M12 battery, a 30-minute charger, and a carrying case. This ensures you have everything you need to start working right away. The included charger and battery offer high run time and long battery life. It has an onboard fuel gauge to help you monitor the charge precisely. This feature minimizes downtime on the job, so you can stay productive. You'll always know how much power you have left. The built-in LED light illuminates work surfaces in dark locations. This is especially useful when working in tight spaces or low light conditions. It enhances visibility and improves accuracy. It produces 250 revolutions per minute, with a variable speed trigger for greater control. This allows for precise and efficient fastening. The variable speed trigger gives you more control over the tool. The ratchet has reinforced metal housing and trigger for longer tool life. This ensures durability and reliability, even under heavy use. It's built to withstand the rigors of the job site. What we like. This ratchet delivers a powerful performance with its 12-volt motor. The variable speed trigger gives you greater control. If you value both power and precision in your work, this ratchet is a solid pick. What people say. It is just handy to have this dedicated socket power tool. It saves so much time on all kinds of little projects. It has a light on it that I do find handy sometimes. It is like a 2-stage trigger. Pull it a little and the light turns on without the tool running. Pull the trigger further and the tool runs. The tool seems to have good torque. It isn't going to break rusty or really tight bolts. It isn't an impact wrench. However, the tool is built to allow the user to use it like a ratchet to break loose the nut or tighten it at the end. I have found that it works fine for most nut bolts I encounter, but obviously you have to get a regular ratchet to break the nuts loose sometimes. It seems plenty durable for the DIYer or farmer or similar use. I can't attest to how it would hold up in a professional setting. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.